Alright, hey everybody, this is Christina. I wanted to show you how to make an 18-inch round on your Basic Glowforge. First, you start off with your design. I'm using this one. You're going to bring it to the size that you want. I usually do about 18 inches. And once you got your size, next, let's move this up here. This is my text. I already did an offset. The offset is what's going to unite with your design. Make sure you get it exactly where you want it. Move it, make sure it looks really good. Just a little bit more. Okay, and once you get it where you want it, you're going to select it all, and you're going to go to your Pathfinder and unite. Now it's one piece. These letters you're just going to leave here for now. They'll be cut out separately and glued on top of the middle of your offset. That will hold your middle together. It'll be a nice sturdy hold. Next, you want to get a box. Put it right in the middle. Oh, well, I said a box, not a circle. Good job. Okay, make sure your line, the top of the box is going to be directly in the middle. Let's see. Bump it down a little bit. That looks good. All right. And then you're going to select both the design and the box. And you're going to copy. And you're going to paste it right beside it. Like that. And then you're going to move your box up and put your bottom line directly in the middle of the design. Okay, and that looks pretty good. Let's just bump it one time. There we go. Right, and then you're going to select both the design and the box. And then you're going to Pathfinder minus front. There you go. Then do the same thing to the other one. Pathfinder minus front. And you have your 18-inch round, 2 halves of an 18-inch round. And then once you cut these letters out, they'll get glued right on top into the middle. Let's change it so we can see it. Okay, and bring to the front. There we go. Now we can see it. And it'll go directly in the middle, and it'll hold the middle together. There we go. Okay. And then next thing is your connectors. These are some that I designed that fit right on the back of the round. Okay, let's grab it up and move it over. Change the color so we can see. That'll work. Alright, so with the connectors, it goes, one piece goes on this one in the bottom half, and it goes right at the line. It does not go over the line, right at the line. And then your other piece is going to go to the top half, and you're going to fit it right into the other one. And it's a very good, strong connection. Now, if you want to know how to make these, all I did was get a rectangle to the size I want it. And then your ellipse tool and make you 2 circles. What I'm doing here. There we go. Make it to the size, whatever size you want, whatever works. Make sure your dot is in the middle and lines up with the side of the rectangle. And then control and paste for the other side and line it up. Okay, and then your selection tool, direct selection tool, you can change the shape of it. Just click on your nodes and just move them around whichever direction you want. Just give them some shape. About like this one. And then once you get done, you're going to go to your Pathfinder and unite. And that's it. For the other piece, grab another rectangle. I usually make a copy of the first rectangle I use so it's the same size, but that'll do. At least for this. Okay, and then control, copy, paste. And then let's flip this around. Place it over the front of the other one. And then bring your sides out. Make sure you have enough space between this. That way it won't be too weak and break. You gotta make sure it's strong. Then you select both. Pathfinder, remove front. And there you go. And that piece will fit right into the other one. And that's it. Hope this helps.